Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video should be a simple one. I'm going to install an interior light in my 2015 T6 VW camper van. So there she is in all her glory, and I'll show you which light we're hoping to install today. You'll have to excuse the mess inside. The table's not been put away, and unfortunately the front panel from the bed has in fact fell off, so I'm going to need to reattach that at some point, but that's not today's job. Today's job is, as you can see, it's quite dark on the inside. The camera's making it look lighter than it actually is, but what I want to do is try and install a strip light above the sliding door, because when I built the van out, we took the wires out to install our own lighting, but I did leave the original lighting in there, so at night time when the doors open there's no light whatsoever coming in. So what I end up having to do is coming over to the panel over here and switching on the internal lights that I did install. One at the back, 6 in the roof, and the one above the kitchen, just to get light. Obviously at night it's not practical to lean in sometimes, especially when this area is full of stuff. So we're going to be getting a strip light in to rectify that. So the light I went for was this one. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a picture up in a minute with the price on. It's just a simple strip light. There's actually 2 in the box. If we open it up, show you. It's just a simple 12-volt light. Oh. Brackets on the back, but also it comes with an adhesive pad if you want to go down that route. There's an on-off switch there. It's about 10mm thick, positive and negative. It should just literally connect to the wires that are already in the ceiling. First job then is to remove the trim panel pins in the roof. In she goes, and turn. Hopefully, come on, pop. There we go. And then just a case of finding them on the floor once you've dropped them everywhere. So, panel pins are all out. It's a case now of getting under the roof somehow and popping them out the roof as like so. And that burn mark there. Come on now. So I've popped some more pins out the roof, and unfortunately I've had to take down a bit more of the roof than I thought. So the back strips had to come down. But I have actually located now, right down the far end there, if you can just see it, where I taped off, just there, where I've taped off the original wiring off this loom which runs from the main engine van battery. So I'm going to connect the light up to that, so when you open the door at night the light should come on automatically. So let me just take all that tape off and see how much wire we've got to play with. I may have to add some extension pieces. Okay, so confession time. I blew the fuse yesterday on the rear lights. Not good. This little thing was what was on there when I unwrapped all the tape. I cut the wires, 3 wires, not 2 as I first explained. Wasn't sure which one was which. So what I did was, don't know whether you can see that, there's a live, obviously an earth and one of them's brake lights, which I didn't know. I've connected them together, blew the fuse straight away. So the next day I couldn't see what I'm doing, it got dark. I've worked out using the voltmeter that I've got here. I worked out, as you can see, 12 volt current going through. That's the live. That's the earth. They're the ones I need to connect up. So these are the type of connectors I'm going to be using. Nice and simple. They just click open like so. Feed the two positives into there. Same with the negatives. Click down. Done. So in they go, push them straight in, neutral in that one, and then just click down. That's it. And then the positive from the light into that one, neutral from the light into that one, although I may have to add an extension piece to get the light into the position I want, and then two more of these at the other end. Cool. So guys, that's the light all fitted now. I didn't want to show you the ins and outs of fitting the bracket. It was quite a pain, to be honest. This by no means is a how-to, more of a how not to. Let me show you how it looks. So that's the light now, as you can see. Perfect for night time. If I want, I can turn it on and off as and when I wish. When the door shuts, it goes off automatically. It will come on with the door, but as I say, manually I can turn it on and off as well. So that's perfect. I also changed out the back light for one of the slimmer lights, same as the one above the door. A lot longer and gives you a lot more light, to be honest. And the cupboard stuck a light up in there as well. So all in all, successful, but a pain. Just to show you, lights on, around the front to check. Front lights are on, it is the day so you can barely see them. And round the back, where we've blown the fuse, as you can see, in this dark light, lights are back on again. 7.5 fuse, located just to the left of the gear stick, where the fuse boxes are, 5th up from the left. Right guys, I'm going to wrap this one up here. Thanks for watching my video. If you did, it's my first ever one on YouTube, so I'm probably going to be talking to myself on this one, but glad to get it done. Enjoyed it, made some mistakes. Don't use this as a how-to, more of a how not to. It's just, I will film every now and again some mods and upgrades I do to the van. Just don't follow me step by step. In terms of what to expect from the channel, I'm hoping to get out and do some day trips and show you some of the local places around my area that I find interesting. We may well be doing a bit of a cook in the van outside. I've never done that before. I've been to festivals, but never done an overnight in a lay-by or some sort of park for night, so that'll be coming up as well.